How's it going? Back here with the Gladiator again. Got a taillight issue. My Oracle light kind of has been in and out. Figured it was just a dirty ground. I pulled it out the other day. Everything looked fine. I swapped it side to side. You know, that taillight will plug into that side. You can see how much dimmer it is. I do have the tinted ones, but it is still significantly, you know. So reached out, made a quick phone call to Oracle, and within 2 days I had my warranty replacement. I've had them for about 1.5 years. I've got them at Great Smoky Mountain Jeep Invasion. I wasn't sure if it was from all the mudding and off-roading that I do, that maybe something got in there, but that was not the case. So we're gonna get it opened up, get it thrown in there. Great customer service. I had called them and pretty much 5 minutes on the phone, a couple pictures, you know, of the defect, batch number, and adding my current address, and it was sent on its way. Just gonna get this unboxed. Specifics. Throw that in there. Flash. Comes with all the stuff, a resistor, which I already have mine taped in there, and it's not the problem, so I'm just going to reuse the one that's in there. I'll save this, and just plugs right in there. So it comes off with an 8mm. And on anything with like lighting like this, I just try to like use hand tools, my fingers. No electric tools that way, or not breaking the housing or ripping out an insert or something. Just like that. Just pops out. A couple little pieces right here that go into the rubber grommets right here and down there. A couple plugs, and that should be it. Boom. And last time I did this, I cut my hands, so there we go. Save this. So we'll get this all. I did have my last one all zip tied up. I'm just going to plug this one in and set it inside of the taillight housing. And bam, just like that. You can see the lights on. So I'll just kind of set all that in there. And put these screws back in. Just like that. You got the new one installed. Both are bright. And we're situated, so shout out to Oracle Lighting. You know, super happy again. Customer service, I've had good customer service from them. And Quake for my fender lights. I've had one glitch out on both, and I have gotten taken care of within days of reaching out to both companies. So I'm happy with what I'm running. But that was just a quick install. Here's that resistor. They do give you like a double-sided 3M tape just to kind of stick it in there. I'm just gonna save it. Didn't really need it on there, but thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe too. I need to grow this channel.